A national award winning actress who once barely knew English is now known for her sharp, confident, and fluent communication. Yes, we are talking about Kangana Ranaut. Whether you agree with her opinions or not, one thing is clear. She owns every word she speaks. And the way she learned English is exactly what you need to understand if you are an English learner trying to speak fluently and fearlessly. So, in today's video, let's break down how Kangna actually learned English, what mindset and methods helped her, and how you can follow the same path step by step. Also, if you are serious about improving your English, don't forget to check out my personalized English classes. I help learners like you build confidence with practical conversation, not boring grammar. Details are in the description below. Let's begin the video. Step 1. Embrace the beginner phrases without shame. Most people hide their weak English. Kangna didn't. She admitted, when I first came to Mumbai, I didn't even know how to pronounce basic words. So, your first step to fluency is to own your weakness without shame. This removes the fear of judgment, which is often the biggest block for the learners. An action tip: start your fluency journal. Write one paragraph a day on anything: your routine, thought, feeling. In basic English, track your improvement instead of hiding your flaws. Step 2. Learn like an actor. Observation and repetition. Actors don't just read scripts, they study expressions, voice, and emotions. Kangna did the same with English. She observed how fluent speakers talked in movies, interviews, and real life. Then she repeated those phrases and patterns aloud until they felt natural. This is exactly what shadowing is. Listen, pause, repeat with the same tone and emotion. An action tip: pick a short English clip, even from a Kangna interview. Repeat one sentence at a time, copying her tone and pace. Do this only for 5 minutes a day. You are training your fluency muscle this how. Step 3. Learn phrases, not words. Kangna didn't just memorize vocabulary, she learned chunks of speech, the real way native speakers talk. Example: instead of saying, I'm very tired, she would use phrases like, I am totally drained, I have had a long day. The difference is, words give you information, phrases gives you expression and help you sound natural, not robotic. An action tip: each day learn 3 new phrases from real conversation, YouTube interviews, films, podcast. Then use them in your daily speaking practice. Write a sentence, say it loud. That's how you'll build your fluency. Step 4. Get comfortable with public speaking early. Many learners avoid speaking up. Kangna did opposite of it. Despite being unsure of her English, she kept giving interviews, speeches, and participating in debates. The more she spoke, even with mistakes, the more confident she became. Your takeaway: fluency is built through messy, imperfect speaking, not silence. An action tip: start by recording 1 minute videos of yourself speaking on a topic. Then watch, reflect, and repeat. Later, share them with friends or on social media for real feedback. Step 5. Read to speak, not just to understand. Kangna is a voracious reader. She says she built her vocabulary and articulation through books. But here's the key: she didn't just read, she would read aloud, underline new words, and use them in her interviews. Reading aloud helps you learn sentence rhythm, improve pronunciation, and build vocabulary naturally. Here's an action tip: pick one page of a book or article every day. Read out loud. Then pick 3 new words or phrases and make your own sentences with them. Step 6. Adopt a strong, fearless attitude. Kangna's confidence doesn't just come from English, it comes from attitude. She doesn't second guess herself. She doesn't apologize for her English mistakes. And she speaks with conviction even if she knows the grammar wasn't perfect. Confidence is louder than vocabulary. Even average English sounds powerful when spoken with certainty. An action tip: every time you speak English, avoid saying, sorry, my English is weak. Instead, say, I'm learning and I'm proud of my progress. This mindset change makes a huge difference. Bonus insight: Kangna's environment helped her grow. In one interview, she said, I stayed in a place where everyone around me spoke English. That forced me to pick it up quickly. So ask yourself, are you surrounding yourself with English or just learning it in isolation? Action step you may follow: change your phone language to English, watch content in English, follow English speaking creators, Create an environment where English is part of your daily life, not just your study routine. Now let's quickly recap. First, accept your beginner phase with confidence. Second, practice observation plus repetition like an actor. Third, learn phrases, not just words. Fourth, speak often, even before you are ready. Fifth, read aloud daily. Sixth, build confidence through fearless attitude. Seventh, create an immersive English environment. Which of these techniques will you try first? Comment below. I would love to hear your story. If you found this video helpful, hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe to Ashu Official for more real, relatable English content every week. And remember, you don't have to be perfect to start speaking. You just have to start with belief, just like Kangna did. See you in the next one.